So the 22 in the Paramount logo means the 2 on the right, the 2 on the left of the line of duality, because 2 and 2 makes 5, because when you have 2 dots and 2 dots along both sides of the line of duality, it creates top and bottom square base pyramid octahedral light source. And as you can see, a singularity is a 0, is a 1, is a 1 sphere. You have 4 zero-dimensional singularities, 1-dimensional line. 14 signs in your zodiac, guys. Okay? And soon, eyes makes a So here they're depicting 4 ones, okay, or 14, as in our 14 true zodiacs, and the egg is the N. And then they're depicting us the same 14, but the n+1 and the n+2 showing, okay? Meaning, you need like n+2 of 14, guys, like 28, like the 28 days in our 13th month lunar year. You caught that, right? How the zeros turned into ones to make the V?
We are gathered here today to immortalize in song the life and untimely death of a great legend. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your low-calorie popcorn and assorted confections while we tell you the strange and bewildering tale of a hero who has yet to enter his own story. Ma.
Something like this, guys. Wonder what that decodes into.
Crunchy, creamy, cookie, candy, cupcake.
Guys.
Okay, everybody, let's take it from the top. The stage is set. The night moist with apprehension. Alone in her chamber, the princess prepares to take her own life. It is far better to nourish worms than to live without love. She reaches for the poisoned chalice. Meanwhile, the wicked Malvolio plots his ascension to the throne. While her aging father lies gravely ill. Yes, I'm gravely ill. Are you such a dreamer to put the world to rights? Hark! Who goes there? 'Tis I, the much-anticipated hero, returning to rescue his emotionally unstable maiden. Unhand her, you jailers of virtue, or taste the bitter sting of my vengeance. The sting of my... I'll stone forever, but two always makes a fight. I'll lay down the tracks, side by side. Dr. Marks? Dr. Marks, I'm not getting anything from you. People, we've talked about this. Acting is reacting. Victor, you were wooden. There, I said it. Mr. Timms, you were good. Perhaps a little too good. January was April showers, and soon always makes a fire. What's that, Victor? My character is undefined? That's absurd. I know who I am. I'm the
I'm the guy, the protagonist, the hero. Every story needs a hero. I mean, who else is better qualified to bask in the adulation of his numerous companions?
The stage is waiting. The audience thirsts for adventure. Who am I? I could be anyone.
I could be the sea captain returning from a mighty voyage to reclaim his mechanical arm. Or I could be the rogue anthropologist battling pythons down in the Congo. Down, Chunga, down.
And if you desire romance, I will become the greatest lover the world has ever known. Hola. I couldn't help but notice you noticing me noticing you. You know, the women's find me uncomfortably good looking, but you seem remarkably at ease. Oh, stop it. No, really. Well, you must. What are you doing? That tickles. Are those real? That's it. Conflict. Victor, you were right. I have been undefined.
People, I've had an epiphany. The hero cannot exist in a vacuum. What our story needs is an ironic, unexpected event that will propel the hero into conflict.